This is a Singer Curvy machine with easy threading. When you start your threading, make sure the presser foot is up and that the needle is in the highest position. This machine is completely straight threading, so the thread tension is already in the machine. Attach the thread spool on the thread holder like this. We are going to start by winding the bobbin. On this machine you're going to go around this thread tension. Attach the bobbin on this lever and then you can wind your thread around it. Once you have done that, you should engage the lever by pulling it to your right. When you press on the gas, it will start filling and it will stop when it is filled enough. Once you're finished, you can cut the thread and you release the lever to the left. And you should also untangle the thread from the thread tension. Pull the thread straight through and then you have a small hook. And on this machine you have this automatic needle threader. Here you can see a close-up how it works. It is important that the needle is lined up for it to work. Always make sure that the thread is under the presser foot before you start. This is how you thread the bobbin. You open the cover, place the bobbin so it looks like a 9 with the thread outside. Then put the bobbin down in the bobbin case and the thread is inserted into the small line where the thread tension of the lower thread is regulated. And put the cover on. Now you can turn on the machine. Here you can see how the display works. On this particular machine you can choose which seam you want to use, and here on the upper buttons you adjust the stitch length and the stitch width. And here you can see how you can set a small zigzag stitch. You choose the zigzag stitch and then you reduce the stitch width and reduce the length. Please visit my Patreon, Sew for Kids, where you will learn a lot of different projects and you will get the pattern with.